friends, Running Kimono here. So we're going to look at the best curbside deals over at Walgreens for the week of January the 22nd to the 28th. And my goodness gracious, we have some fire in this video today. So what is curbside? You're basically ordering merchandise, pressing that blue button and picking it up at the store. You're ordering through your phone, a tablet, or a desktop computer. You pick. If you use the code NEW10 for certain full-priced items, you'll get an extra 10% off. So basically you drive to the store, you go to the photo desk and say, "Hi, my name is Jane Smith." And then they process your order and you get a receipt, and it is very, very easy. Now, deals with register rewards, I'll recommend that you do those in store. Even though last week they were showing up as Walgreens cash in the app, they're not doing that right now. It's very, very glitchy. So do those deals with register rewards in store. Be smart. So the first deal that we're going to look at, and I want to give a very special shout out and thank you to Couponing Farm Girl over on Instagram. This is in fact Janet's deal to grab 2 of these Vitafusion gummy supplements for $14.99 on a buy one get one 50% off promotion. We have this 10 off 2 digital coupon, so please make sure you have that guy loaded. If you head over to IBOTTA, there's $3.50 back for each, so that's $7 back with the IBOTTA app. If you have not signed up for this app, sign up today. We always have an IBOTTA offer with curbside deals over at Walgreens. Looking at the overall basket is $22.48. Using that promotion code NEW10, $1.25 off. Curbside pickup is free, no tax. That coupon's coming off for a new total of $11.23. I would use $10 in Walgreens cash and pay $1.23. Make your submission to IBOTTA, not factoring in your Walgreens cash. It's $4.23 for the 2 or $2.11 after you get your $7 back from the IBOTTA app. So very cheap kids supplements. I think the lady supplements are like $1 and some change, a little bit more. But if you like gummy vitamins, this is a very good deal. Okay, so the next deal that we have is all about Valentine's Day. So what we're going to do, guys, is load this $3 coupon, and I have a ton of them. I don't know why. And there's a cheap card for $3.69, so that's what we're going to put 3 of them into a basket. And it's a really cute card. So for 3 of them, it's $11.07. Looking at your overall basket, after $9 are coming off, I have $3 off on each card. You're paying $2.73. That's also with my tax. I would use $2 in Walgreens cash and pay 73 cents and have 3 really cute Valentine's Day cards. Okay, the next deal that we're going to look at involves the whole blends, and unfortunately this deal is not kicking back $4 reward when you buy 2, and they're $4.99 a pop. The sales price for these are I think for the Garnier Fructis is 2 for $8, but we're going to load that 3 off a 2 digital coupon. So throwing 2 of those into a basket, we're going to get $5 of instant savings. So we're going to be short from getting to the $10 for a curbside offer. So what we're going to do is throw in 2 of the Valentine's Day cards. So 2 Valentine's Day cards and then 2 of the Whole Blends shampoo. And then we're going to also need 2 $3 coupons for the cards. But looking at your overall summary, it's $17.36. The 5 off 2 for the Whole Blends is coming off, free curbside pickup, and $9 of digitals coming off. $6 for the cards and then $3 for the shampoo for a new total of $4.10. I would use $4 in Walgreens cash and pay 10 cents for this basket and call it a really good deal. The next deal that we have, guys, is a shampoo deal, and I know a lot of you love shampoo deals. We have this really generous 4 off a 2 for the Dove hair care, and if you love Dove shampoo, this is definitely a dealio pour vous. But we're going to be a bit short because the Dove is on sale this week, 2 for $8. So we're going to put 2 shampoos for $8 in our basket, and we're $2 short from hitting that curbside pickup. So we're going to throw in one of those Valentine's Day cards for $3.69. Hopefully your store has them. So looking at the overall basket, $11.69. We could use that promotion code NEW10, free curbside pickup, a bit of tax, and $7 in coupons coming off for a new total of $4.97. I would use $4 in Walgreens cash and pay 97 cents and call this a super duper deal. And if you can't track down that Valentine's Day card, I know there's a Kiss Candy Valentine's Day for $2.99. You might consider throwing that into a basket. Final deal that we're going to talk about, and a lot of us are very excited by this one this week. It is $1.99 for the Complete Home garbage bags. A lot of people are like, is this a good garbage bag? It's a garbage bag. I think it's very good for, using it for your home garbage or for cleaning up after pets. I certainly have used Complete Home in the past. So throwing 6 in your cart at $1.99 a pop. That's the best avenue to take. Shakes out to $11.94. Curbside pickup is free and we have a bit of tax. For $12.66, I would use $10 in Walgreens cash and pay $2.66 and call this a very good deal. So before I take off, guys, Tuesday the 24th will be the 25-cent sale over at the Dollar General. I made a video last night if you wish to check it out. Even if you're a diehard Walgreens shopper, you might want to go to your Dollar General and moonwalk near the clearance section tomorrow and see what they have. Is this worth your time, yes or no? Considering a lot of air care and like Christmas decor at 25 cents. It is worth your time. And if you love everything Christmas, this is the last big sale for the year. For Christmas stuff on clearance. You might want to check it out. The video will be linked right here. We'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.